Hi, I'm Thor Alden, the Associate Director of Innovation at Dechert.
Hi, my name is Faisal Sultan, and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Atria AI.
So our journey with chronologies in terms of Gen AI started in 2023 when a partner came to me and said, hey, can we use ChatGPT to generate chronologies? I said, let's give it a try. And we did. We plugged it in and the results were phenomenal. We had excellent chronologies being generated from the documents. The only problem was a lot of it was made up. And so we need to figure out, what else could we do? We had to find a way to get better than just ChatGPT. And so that's when Atria came in. So Faisal, question to you, can you beat ChatGPT?
Well, certainly we can beat ChatGPT. And the way that we do that is we take an ensemble approach to creating a chronology. So we take traditional machine learning techniques, we use natural language processing, and of course, generative AI to produce a chronology that is accurate. So combining and leveraging the strengths of each, we're able to overcome the deficiencies of just using one approach.
Kind of like those Tide stain remover pens, right? They have a lot of chemicals operating in the background, but they all work together to make your problem, your stain, go away.
It's a great analogy. And the reason being is because data in the real world is really messy. Let me give you an example. If we were just to extract 21st of May 1980, then we can build a very simple regular expression in order to extract that date. But dates in the real world are messy. There may be a missing day, a missing year, dates may be spelled incorrectly or formatted incorrectly. And so we can use AI quite effectively in order to extract these dates across all of the different edge cases and understand all of the nuances going on in the real world.
So if I pull a data extraction library from GitHub, grab a few regex commands, can I build my own chronology tool? Why would I still need Atria?
Well, you can certainly give it a go, right? But the skill is being able to know how and when to use the right approach to build the chronology. So let's take another analogy, trying to coach a football team. You have to understand your players, understand their strengths in order to know when and how to use them to great effect. And so like coaching a football team, we have to understand the algorithms at a very intrinsic level to be able to combine them appropriately to create an accurate chronology.
Okay, let's take your analogy. If you're a coach, how do I know you're a good coach? In the real world, you have to play games and you either win or lose.
Yeah, that's a great question, right? And that's why the legal dual benchmarking platform was a great opportunity for us, because we can submit a chronology, we get a response, and we can use that feedback to get better. So like a great team, like a great sports team, we play the games, we understand how we did in the real world, and then we use that in order to get better over time.
I will say I've been pretty impressed with Atria. The great thing about Legal Duel is anyone can just join, compete on projects, winners then get ranked.
Yeah, just like in sports, right?
Yeah, and it's still growing, it's still the beginning. The one thing we have to keep in mind for chronologies is that at the end of the day, if you don't trust the underlying tool, the purpose of the tool becomes irrelevant because you have to double check everything. So I guess, Faisal, question to you, in Atria itself, in the tool, is there a way you can show when you have lower confidence in the output being generated?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a real problem. We've developed a concept called the certainty score, which allows us to present to the user in a great UX where we think the answer is either incorrect or is missing some vital information. And we also present to the user the underlying data structures and the source information so that they can verify where we think the data is incorrect. So it's a really important part of our whole offering.
Got it. So if someone's benchmarked you, then is that it? Or what else is possible?
So we can do so much more. This is just the foundation, the ability to extract the data and extract dates. And now we can start doing some very clever things. So we built a module called Deadline Guardian, which takes the dates and creates deadlines. So in effect, what we've done is we've taken the data and we've created actionable items in order to automate legal workflows.
But then how do you benchmark Deadline Guardian?
So you don't really have to. Because what we've done is we've used a platform like Legal Joule to benchmark the hardest part, which was the extraction of the dates and the analysis of the dates. And so now we can take that data and create actionable items relatively quite easily. So all we really need the benchmarking platform for is for those portions that use large language models.
I got it. Okay, so you prove your capabilities on the core part, and then everything flows from there.
Yeah, exactly. And that's why we're really excited about platforms like Legal Joule, where we can continuously improve and demonstrate our strengths. So in a sense, we think it's a win-win situation.
Especially if Atria gets to be at the forefront of all of this transformation.
Yeah, definitely. Because when it comes to legal tech, we're not just playing the game, we want to win.
Thank you.